Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to get started with EtherChain. I'm not really going to go into all that EtherChain is. You can read it here on the website. It's basically a smart contract for earning Ethereum. Okay, so to get started, you scroll down and you choose the amount of ETH that you want to put into the contract. So the minimum amount to get started is 0.1. So you would just click 0.1 like that. If you wanted to put in more, you could just keep clicking it or choose the numbers, the amount as you see here, the preset amount. If you want to change it, you click reset and you go again. So say you wanted to put in 0.1, you click 0.1, then you click join. Your MetaMask wallet would pop up, or if you're on, and then I have to reject that because I don't have enough in this wallet to do that. But then you would you just confirm the transaction and that's it. You would be in. When you go down to your personal statistics, then you would see the amount that you have entered. Okay, so that's it. Just a quick tutorial on how to set up, how to join EtherChain. Okay.